Here's a video of one of our hot tub saltwater systems actually making chlorine from the salt in the water, which is actually about 1,500 to 2,000 parts per million. This is all you need, and this takes care of everything. You know, as far as sanitizing, it makes keeps your water nice and clear, even if you're gone for an extended period of time. The only thing you have to do is add a little bit of white vinegar for pH control on a weekly basis. And if you're actually gone, then just add it when you come back, but your hot tub will still be crystal clear.